North Kildare Educate Together is a national school location in Celbridge. We currently have 435 students, and this year we are celebrating our 30th anniversary. Like many other schools, we've been looking at ways to become more sustainable. The school is a very busy place throughout the day, so the lights are on a lot. When we looked into how we could reduce our energy consumption, we found out about an energy efficiency lighting upgrade with Energia. The old lights around the school were also in bad need of an upgrade anyway. Many were damaged and broken, and the lighting visibility wasn't great. Replacing the old lights with LEDs seemed like the perfect solution to us.
We surveyed the site and performed an energy audit to design a new lighting system. The school is very keen to reduce their carbon footprint and their energy consumption. We calculated that this new system could reduce the school's electricity output by over 36,000 kilowatt hours per year. This equates to a saving of over 13 tonnes of carbon annually. The increased lighting levels throughout the classrooms are in keeping with the Department of Education guidelines. And overall, we've seen a reduction of approximately 70% in the school's lighting energy consumption.
Energia managed the whole process for us from beginning to end, including the paperwork and the removal of our old lighting. The entire installation process was stress-free. The work was completed outside of school hours, and the lights were installed with minimal disruption. When we were deciding on the lighting upgrade, I was thinking of it purely from an energy point of view and from reducing our bills. But it's made a difference, a genuine difference to the children. There are some rooms that were quite dark, especially smaller spaces like the bathrooms, and they're lovely and bright now, which is so much nicer for the children. We also have a few children who are visually impaired, and it's really made a difference to how they can engage with the curriculum, making the space much more favourable for them. We're really happy we went to Energia for a lighting upgrade.